Hi, my name is Kinsey.
And I'm Julia.
And this is our Washington Island School Experience.
If something has friction, is it going to have grip or will it have slip?
The younger students were able to do the after-school program, and that is where we split them up into first, second, third grade, and fourth and fifth grade. The first, second, and third graders have been learning about sound. Today they will do friction, and then we also talked about gravity.
You would learn about science, and we did an experiment about if we had a small balloon, a medium size balloon, and a big balloon, which one would fall to the ground first. The small one would, because it has less air in it, and it would just fall.
The goal with the after-school program for the elementary students is to have them doing practices of science, which we used to call the scientific method. It still goes by that, but really what we're doing is inquiry science.
I think it's really fun, probably because of all the experiments. I mean, we do one every day.
We perform experiments, and then we come back and we talk about our observations and, well, was our hypothesis rejected or was it supported? We want to get away from, were you right or were you wrong? It's, was it rejected or was it supported? And that just gives us ground for, well, if it was rejected, what would be another way to test this? How would we retest it? How would our hypothesis change to lead us into a new experiment?
Teamwork's important because maybe if you're partners, you have to work together to get the experiment right. And communication, you have to talk to each other to also get the experiment right. You have to talk about what you do and how you do it.
If we can hook them to be excited about science and math when they're younger, you don't have as much pushback in middle and high school years.
If you are getting into it and they're having fun, then you have those light bulb moments where they didn't realize they were learning something, but they actually do learn something. As we look to the future in our science department, in our school in general, the opportunities are endless.
It's very fun because I get to learn new things every day, and I get to see Miss Dennis, and I get to see my friends and learn a lot of new things.